Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to easily convert WebM files to MP4 using FFmpeg on Linux. Whether you just need to convert one video or batch convert a whole folder, I've got you covered. Let's get started. So first we need to make sure that we have FFmpeg installed. If it's not installed, you need to open up a terminal. In this case I've done WSL and I have a Ubuntu install here, and I'm going to do sudo apt install FFmpeg. Do I want to continue? Yes. And it's installing the packages I need for FFmpeg in this WSL configuration. I was unable to fetch some archives, but let's see if it's installed anyway. I'm going to do a quick check. FFmpeg version. Let's see if it's there. Command FFmpeg not found, but can be installed with sudo snap install FFmpeg. So I gotta use snap to do this. Oh wow. Okay, so let's try sudo snap install FFmpeg. I'm not a great fan of snap, but in this case it's going to use snap instead of just the native installation. So I wanted to see if it's anything different. And we'll be able to make sure whether we have a stable version of FFmpeg. So just running the setup there quickly. It shouldn't take long, but the thing is, there we go, it's installed. And now I'm just going to clear the screen and go through my list here of seeing which version I have. It's currently running, but it seems to be running FFmpeg anyway. So I'm understanding that FFmpeg is installed because it says FFmpeg version 4.3.1 over there. So I'm going to take that and accept that, and I'm going to go to this downloads folder, and I'm actually going to copy these WebM files into a different folder. Within this one I'm just going to create a new folder and call it WebM, and I'm first going to display, I'm just going to copy it there. So I've got these folders here, but I just want to use this example to copy one, which is this one. Let's say I recorded a screen, which is this one particular screen example I have right here. Alright, and I got this file searching for the Almaty ISO.webm. So now I have to run a file to convert it into MP4. I just have to run. I'm going to open the terminal up here. I'm not going to use WinSurf or anything like that. I want to open up a terminal. Well, actually I should just go to that folder, right? Let's cd into downloads. No such file or directory exists. What am I thinking? Goodness. This is not Windows. Let's see if we can open it up in that open terminal. And now I'm in that folder, but let's see if I can run FFmpeg here. Let's see if FFmpeg version is here. Okay, so there does seem to be an FFmpeg version here. It says 7.1. Now is that any different to the previous version I had of that one? That's version 4. This is version 7.1. Oh, this is 14.2.1. Quite confusing, hey? Which one is which? Good guess. But let's see if we can run the command anyway. So to convert one file over, I'm going to go FFmpeg I, and then in colons I'm going to put searching for, what is that file called again? Searching for the Omachi ISO. Too many things opening there. Searching for the Omachi ISO dot WebM. Close the brackets. The reason why it's opening closing brackets because there's spaces in between my file name. I'm going to C :v lib x264. That's the format you want to use. C :a. Let's just make this a little bit bigger so we fit it on one line. AAC, and then we want to name the let's just call it video 1 for now, because that's what we want to name the video, the MPEG-4 video's file name to. And we're going to call video 1.mp4 and close brackets. We had to open the brackets somewhere over here, I think, or it might not be necessary. Let's see if that happens. So as you can see, it's starting to create something here even while I'm using, and there we go. Let's see if it was completed. Let's go back to that folder, which is this one over here, and there we have video 1 MPEG-4, and if I open it up, it will run and play. There you go. So it was that easy to create a video using the FFmpeg in the terminal on Windows, actually, not even in the WSL on Linux. If you don't put the quotes in, it won't work because there's spaces in between the file name. Alright, now if you want to batch convert all the web files, and as you can see I put all the web files in there. Let's say, how many files do I have here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 files. If I have 10, 50 or even 100 WebM files, instead of converting them one by one, you can automate it with a simple bash script. Alright, so I'm back in the WSL version of Ubuntu 22.04, and I'm going to just see what's in this directory right now. So I have a snap and I have a WebM. This WebM folder I created should have all the WebM videos in it. So let's just cd into the WebM and let's check what's in there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 videos. As you can see, these are all WebM videos. Now I wanted to create, like I said to you, a batch script whereby you can just take all those 4 videos and convert them into MPEG-4 videos without doing them one by one. So let's try that right now. I'm going to create a batch script using nano, and I'm going to call it nano convert.sh, and that opens nano for me. And now I want to create this batch file. So I've got it already copied over here somewhere, and I'm going to see if I can copy it there. So there we go, I've copied it in. It's a batch file that converts all .webm extension files into the current directory to .mpeg4 files, and this will automatically create a output folder, and this output folder is for MPEG-4 if the output folder doesn't already exist. And so it says here for fin, these are the WebM folders, do the following, and it will create, FFmpeg will create these videos into MPEG-4 videos, and then it will echo them out. So let's just see if this can be done. I want to save the script first, so Control 0, save, and Control X. So let's just nano back into that and see if it's still there. Still there. Control X. Now we have to make it executable. So we're going to say chmod plus x convert .sh, and because there's nothing in the reply that comes back, it means that the files have been made executable. And now I'm going to run it by going /convert.sh, and that's going to run. But we will see if I will run into any errors. The machine is working its butt off right now, and basically that's it. Every web.webm in the folder will be converted into MPEG-4, and the new file will appear inside an MPEG_output folder. And that's doing it right now. I don't know how long it's going to take. It's now just at 1:42 p.m. or it started more or less at 1:41 p.m. I'm going to see how long 4 videos takes to convert. Now let's just see how big the size of those folders are. I think if I look over here, these are the sizes. So these folders aren't that big, so it shouldn't take a long time. Let's just go back here so you can see what's been happening. Alright, so conversion is complete. All MP4s are in the MP4 output folder. So where is that output folder? That's the question. There you can see the MP4 underscore output folder. So let's cd into that, and we have 4 MP4 folders. Goodness, why did I see many after that? I guess that was another folder. But alright, so now you can see we have 4 images there. 4 video files, and that took an hour to do 4 videos. So that's how you convert WebM to MP4 using FFmpeg. Alright, so I want to play these videos, at least one of these videos now, in the terminal. And for that, I'm just going to go to the terminal and press FFplay, and then the video itself, which in this case is searching for the, there we go. I'm gonna hit enter, and FFmpeg needs to be installed. Okay, let's try VLC instead. Let's see if VLC is installed. VLC, and then the video, and I need to install VLC. So let's just do that quickly. Sudo snap install VLC, password, okay, it's giving me the choice. I've just gone for the first version. I'm not going to bother with VLC bin. Okay, so it seemed like it's installed, and I wonder if it will run straight from there. Let's see. Okay, it cannot find the path. Oh, it's opened up something, and there you go. So let's just use the mouse quickly, and says continue. And yeah, you can see it's a little bit slow, but it's running the video in a new window of VLC, and that's outside of the WSL connection. So let's see if we can just close this video by making this smaller. It's using a lot of memory. Nope, can't do that. So there we go. It's making the video smaller, and I'm going to stop the video if I can. If there's one way in which I can do this faster, maybe someone can leave that in the comments. But here we go. It's going a little bit higher, and I'm going to stop the video at 1 minute 22. So as you can see, you are able to view the video as well, even if it's without WSL or it's within an extra window of WSL, but it's able to output and view the video as well just by a single command in the terminal. Whether it's just one file or a whole batch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Linux and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.